Well, hey there, everybody. How are you? Well, today is video number 2 in the What If series. So here's this is the number one question I get. And I've had people email me who tried to get in the legal field as a paralegal for 6 years after they went through a 2-year program. More than 2 people have emailed me. I have several over the last, it's been more than 5-6 years. So I've been mentoring people to get into the field for over 19 years. But being online for the last almost 5.5 years now. So the question is, what if no one will hire me, Leslie, as a beginner paralegal without experience? No one's hiring. They won't do it. Well, the answer to that is honestly, it's the opposite. But how you apply and what you do for some homework to get yourself up to speed more than you already are, more than you think you are, is very important, because a hiring attorney seriously needs to know that you made an effort in learning some of the paralegal duties before you step foot in that legal workplace, and you need to know when you're applying for jobs, what area of law are those attorneys working in? Or maybe it's one attorney. You have to do homework. But you need to go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, my website, and look under Paralegal Resource Hub. Everything under there is free. You need to download the playbook under that tab called Paralegal Resource Hub. And no charge, but you have to sign up to do it. That's how my platform works, where I house the PDF, okay? So get that PDF, and on one of the pages, in the middle of the page, it will say paralegal duties, and I'll give you some search terms to use. I want you to start researching. Use a notebook. I carry my notebook with me all over the place, and use a notebook, cheapy notebook, to write down what you're finding when you do that research for paralegal duties in business law, for instance. What do those paralegals do every day? I know what they do every day. I've worked in it. But what you need to find that out. And then it's kind of like going down a rabbit hole, because you're going to learn, whoa, I have to know to go to this website. I have to know to do this. You're going to learn not just head knowledge. You want to go investigate each of those duties and find out, well, what does that mean? What does this mean? Curiosity will bring you to a great place. And the attorney will be seriously impressed when you can sit there and discuss this. Now, yes, in my paralegal cover letter secrets class, I talk about how to get the attention of the hiring attorney. And in the paralegal inner circle class, all of this is for beginners, is how to set yourself up to be able to help the attorney, what job offerings you should be looking at, and others you really are over your head. And then how to interview and knock the interview out of the park. So all of this is necessary for you to get that job and get a yes. But yes, they will hire without experience. They will. So every single paralegal that's gone into the field, unless they were in an internship, and those are very rare, went in with 0 experience. That should lift you up, but your strategy has to change. So get the playbook today and go through all of that, but also do that research and learn some of those duties so you can talk about it. You're not going to be saying you're an expert. You're just familiar with them. You are taking that extra step that will impress the hiring attorney, okay? Other job candidates will not be doing this, okay? So understand, doing some things will raise your cover letter, which they're really looking at, by the way, more than the resume, to the top of the job applicant pile. So questions, comments, post them below, okay? No, I don't recommend specific programs and all this. In almost really 49 states in the U.S., you can get in the field without schooling or a certificate. The attorneys aren't looking at that as some magic wand. that you know everything because you got that. It won't hurt you, but you're not learning some of the practical things, and this is what I'm pointing you to, okay? So go do that. Go do that homework, and if you can join us in some of the classes I offer, do it. But go to the website, Paralegal Coffee Talk, and look under every single tab. Paralegals are great researchers. So go do that today or over the weekend or whatever, whenever you're watching this, go do that and take notes and you know, so you can document things that you need to check up on later. But look under the course tab, look under bar charts tab, look under Paralegal Inner Circle tab. Every single thing on that website is for beginners, hands down. So questions, comments, post them, and I would love to hear from you. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.